Getting ready to start the trail at the falls at Hills Creek.
Hi,
It's
guys.
cold, it's raining,
Hi, guys.
but we're gonna do it anyway.
We're waterproofing until it gets so tall.
Y'all ready to make this trip?
Yes!
All right then, here we go. Our journey to the falls of Hills Creek begins along a quiet paved path deep within the Monongahela National Forest. The trail is wide and gently sloped, surrounded by tall hardwoods and dense rhododendron. In the spring, wildflowers line the edges, over 40 species from delicate trillium to bright mountain laurel. The forest hums with life and the sound of rushing water grows stronger with each step. After about a third of a mile, we reach a wooden viewing deck. Here, framed by moss-covered rocks and ferns, is the upper falls. Water from Hills Creek drops 25 feet in a graceful sheet, crashing into a shallow pool below. It's a peaceful, beautiful sight, but it also tells a deeper story. This waterfall was carved over thousands of years as soft red shell eroded beneath the harder sandstone layers. This contrast created the dramatic drop we see today, shaped not by sudden force but slow and constant change. From here, the paved trail ends and the forest tightens. We descend a series of boardwalks and stairs, stepping deeper into the gorge. Soon, we arrive at the Middle Falls, a powerful 45-foot cascade that tumbles over a wide rock ledge into a hidden basin below. The sound echoes through the trees. It's more remote, more dramatic, and a glimpse of the wild power still ahead. So we're almost at the lower falls here. See, Grace and them's already down there. I wanted to get a picture of them up top. I'm gonna go ahead and show you as I go down through here too. It's not that far, it's pretty easy walk. Walk back's gonna be a little harder than the walk down, but still not that bad. That was the 45 feet. Now we're going to the 65 feet with the lower trail, the lower falls. Past the middle falls, the trail steepens. Nearly 400 wooden steps twist down through the gorge, hugging rock walls and weaving through thick rhododendron. The roar of water grows louder with each descent. At the bottom, the lower falls come into view, a stunning 63-foot drop and the second highest waterfall in West Virginia. It's a raw, powerful sight. Hills Creek owes its strength to a rare process called steam piracy, where it captured neighboring waters and gained the volume needed to carve this deep gorge. The result is a waterfall shaped by force, time, and a little geological luck. As we begin the climb back to the trailhead, the forest feels different, quieter, more reflective. This land has an ancient past. Millions of years ago, these rocks were the floor of a shallow inland sea. Fossils embedded in the shell tell stories of ancient marine life that once thrived here. Today, the falls of Hills Creek are protected as a scenic area, preserved for hikers, explorers, and families seeking wild beauty. The waterfalls, the forest, and the silence, it all lingers with you long after the trail ends. It took about an hour round trip. We're almost back to the truck, just a few minutes away. Not a bad walk, a lot of steps. Definitely well worth it, because you know, you see those waterfalls and different things. Of course, water created it. But you know what created water? God did. It wasn't no cosmic explosion, it wasn't no burst, it wasn't none of that stuff. God. And if you don't believe it, open your eyes, because he will reveal himself in so many different ways, unimaginable. So if you guys want to come out this way, Hillsboro, West Virginia, just a little past the Cranberry Nature Center, highly recommend it. Absolute stunning place. We've seen a lot of beautiful sights here in the last couple of days. Get out in nature. Again, we're in outdoors. If you got any questions about it, hop down in the comments, leave me a comment about it. While you're down there, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. We love you. God loves you. Thanks for watching.